Hello everyone, this is Chris Surface here with SDI course FTE 217, the modern service rifle. Today we're going to be going over a couple of interesting facts about the AR platform. While searching through some of these facts, I came across a couple that I was interested in. The first one with the changes due to the reliability issues of the AR in Vietnam, or the M16, I should say. With this being a new firearm, it comes with troubles of its own. Many people do not believe it's very good. So, in the late 1960s, after it already came about, they decided to add a forward assist and a charging handle, which is something that you still see on the modern platform that's out now. I found this on g2precision.com with the article that's titled History and Evolution of the AR Platform. It did not have an author or a date on it. So now, fast forwarding to the 1980s, the United States Marine Corps decided to design the AR/M16 into a more useful version. They wanted it to do a heavier duty barrel that has a 1/7 twist to accommodate the green tip rounds, along with an adjustable rear sight. I found this under gundigest.com with the title America's Sweetheart, The Radical Evolution of the AR-15. This was written by Patrick Sweeney on July 12th of 2024. Now you might ask yourself why these things are important. Well, when it comes to this, knowing how every part of the firearm came about can help you later on when you need to future develop the system, make it better. So if you know that the forward assist, help push the bolt forward because it would get a little bit of dirt or gunk in there and it wouldn't slide forward, then you know there may be a future improvement to alleviate that, and it makes being a gunsmith a little bit easier for us. Now, with the platform I chose to go with, I'm going with the AR-10. And it's chambered in the .308. I think this round is it's a tried and true round. It's been around for many years, and what's awesome about it is it's a fairly cheap round compared to your Wildcat rounds, and it's easily available. So just about anywhere you buy any kind of ammunition, you can pick up a .308 Winchester. So that's why I chose the .308 caliber. But that's all I have for this assignment.